used to attack dozens of targets at once across the sky and leave a path of destruction in their wake. Its radar can track in true 3D space, while its massive machine gun aims precisely and fires hundreds of highly accurate projectiles that can destroy any air target. The NBS MANTIS short-range force protection system is designed to detect, track and shoot the projectiles within a close range of the target base. The MANTIS represents an important part of the Bundeswehr Army's comprehensive future SysFla air defense program. Derived from Oerlikon Skyshield air defense technology, the MANTIS is a short-range counter-rocket, artillery and mortar (CRAM) system designed to safeguard military sites and critical civilian infrastructure from aerial threats, such as low-flying manned and unmanned aircraft. The system was specifically developed to protect the Army's forward operating bases in Mazar-i-Sharif and Kunduz, Afghanistan, from rocket, artillery, and mortar attacks. Equipped with 6 35mm automatic guns, 2 sensor units, and a central command ground control unit, the system is capable of recognizing missiles fired onto a base from approximately 3 kilometers, enabling the gun to instantly destroy threats in a calculated flight path. Melee Protection System. The NBS CRAM system is supposed to detect, track and shoot down incoming projectiles before they can reach their target within very close range. The system itself is based on Oerlikon Skyshield air defense gun system. An NBS CRAM system consists of 6 35mm automatic guns capable of firing 1,000 rounds per minute, a ground control unit and 2 sensor units. The entire system is fully automated. The guns fire programmable ahead ammunition, developed by Rheinmetall Weapons and Munitions, Switzerland. The ammunition carries a payload of 152 tungsten projectiles weighing 3G 51 gr each. Originally, the German Army ordered a first batch of 2 systems in 2009 to be delivered in 2013, with 2 more systems planned to follow later, but were never bought. Both MANTIS systems have been transferred to the German Air Force, which is now responsible for all air defense tasks. The first 2 systems cost around €110, 8 million, plus another 20 million euros for training and documentation purposes, in a follow-on contract, worth around €13, 4 million. Rheinmetall will also deliver the corresponding ammunition to the Bundeswehr. Development. The Bundeswehr did not have weapon systems to tackle the intercepting small incoming projectiles. The army bases in Mazar-i-Sharif and Kunduz were under several attacks by insurgents. The German Bundeswehr placed a €48 million contract to Rheinmetall Air Defense. The NBS MANTIS system is based on the Skyshield air defense gun system of Rheinmetall. The Skyshield is a modular ground-based short-range air defense system, SHORAD, designed with automated and flexible features, and is easily transportable. The NBS MANTIS was developed in 12 months on behalf of the German Federal Office of Defense Technology and Procurement. It was successfully live-fire tested in real-time operating conditions in Turkey in summer 2008. The MANTIS is specifically designed to defend the forward operating bases and protect other vulnerable military installations from rocket, artillery, and mortar attacks. Anti-aircraft guns. The NBS MANTIS is equipped with 6 35mm automatic guns, 2 sensor units, and a central command ground control unit. The sensor system comprises of radar, effectors, and electro-optical sensors installed on the base perimeter. The MANTIS protection system is totally automated and operates 24/7. A radar sensor in the control system recognizes missiles fired onto a base from about 3 kilometers. The automatic process enables the guns to fire on the threat instantly in the calculated flight path. The guns are capable of firing 1,000 rounds per minute. The firing of the guns is based on mission-specific programmable and air-burst advanced hit efficiency and destruction, AHEAD, ammunition, a technology developed by Rheinmetall Weapons. The AHEAD technology enables the air defense gun's capability to track and destroy the aerial targets. The MANTIS gun fires 24-round burst, high-velocity AHEAD rounds at the target's intercept point.